Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with getting that perfect lash curl that stays all day, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're diving into the e.l.f. Pro Eyelash Curler, a tool that promises to give you those voluminous, eye-opening lashes without the fuss. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The e.l.f. Pro Eyelash Curler is designed to give your lashes a lift, creating a curl that not only looks more voluminous but also lasts. It's ergonomically crafted with a contoured curve to fit most eye shapes, and its stronger spring ensures the curl lasts longer. Plus, it comes with an additional rubber replacement pad, so you won't have to worry about it losing its effectiveness too soon. From the moment I picked this curler up, I noticed how easy it was to use. The handle feels comfortable in the hand, and the design is light but sturdy. The curl itself? Definitely noticeable. I tried it both with and without mascara to see how it would hold up. The results were impressive. My lashes appeared instantly lifted, and the curl held throughout the day, even after a long day at work. It's a tool that delivers on its promise of creating long-lasting curls, and it doesn't feel like you're forcing your lashes into an unnatural shape. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the e.l.f. Pro Eyelash Curler is straightforward to use, making it perfect for beginners or anyone who doesn't want a complicated tool in their beauty routine. The ergonomic design adds comfort, and the additional rubber pad is a thoughtful touch. It's great to have a replacement on hand when the original starts to wear out. The curl lasts for hours, and the overall design feels quite durable for the price. On the flip side, it's not the most high-end eyelash curler I've used. While the curl is impressive, it doesn't quite give the extreme curl that some more expensive curlers offer. If you're someone with particularly stubborn lashes, or you need a curl that's really dramatic, you might want to consider a curler with a more intense curve. That being said, for most people, this should do the job. As for value for money, the e.l.f. Pro Eyelash Curler is definitely worth the price. It's affordable, especially considering the quality of the curl and the addition of the replacement pad. The fact that e.l.f. is cruelty-free and vegan only adds to its appeal. If you're on a budget and want a reliable eyelash curler that delivers decent results, this is a solid choice. In terms of comparisons, if you're looking for something a bit pricier that delivers a more dramatic curl, you might want to explore options from brands like Shuimura or Tweezerman. Those offer more advanced features, like a wider curve or more tension, which can create an even more voluminous curl. But, considering the price point of the e.l.f. Pro Eyelash Curler, it competes well with higher-end options in terms of performance. Looking at the build quality, I was pleasantly surprised. It's lightweight, but feels solid in the hand. I've used it for several weeks now, and I haven't noticed any major signs of wear and tear. The added rubber pad is a bonus, as it ensures the curler doesn't lose its effectiveness after repeated use. In conclusion, the e.l.f. Pro Eyelash Curler is a great value buy for anyone looking to lift and curl their lashes without breaking the bank. It's easy to use, comfortable, and effective for most lash types. While it might not deliver the most dramatic curl out there, it's definitely one of the best budget options available. Whether you're new to eyelash curlers or just need a reliable, everyday tool, this one is worth trying out. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used the e.l.f. Pro Eyelash Curler, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it give you that perfect curl? Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.